Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop: how to create custom shape, location, root path. Create a canvas in Photoshop. Select the custom shape tool, then choose a curved line or path shape. Now draw the path across the canvas. Change the stroke or fill color to gray, lower opacity slightly. Now choose a map pin shape. Place one pin at the start of the path. Duplicate the pin and place it at the end. Resize pins for balance. Select all shape layers, align them visually. Now add text labels near each pin. Zoom out and check flow. Root path looks clear, perfect for travel visuals, custom shape